Imagine you are cruising down the highway and suddenly your speedometer drops to 0, your ABS light pops on, or your automatic transmission starts shifting like it has a mind of its own. It is a scary feeling, right? If you have plugged in a scanner and pulled the code P0500, you are dealing with a vehicle speed sensor malfunction. Before you panic, let me break down exactly what is happening and how we can fix it together without wasting money. Basically, this code means your car's brain, the PCM, is not getting the speed signal it expects. Your car uses a sensor, usually mounted on the transmission, to read a spinning ring called a reluctor ring. Think of it like a bicycle computer counting the wheel spins. As the notches on that ring pass the magnetic tip of the sensor, it creates a rapid electrical pulse. The computer counts these pulses to know how fast you are going and to tell the transmission when to shift. When that signal gets interrupted or looks weird, you get the P0500 code. Now, symptoms can vary. You might lose your anti-lock brakes, your speedometer might die completely, or your shifting might feel erratic and harsh. Sometimes, even your RPM limiter gets lowered to protect the engine. So, what causes this? It could be the sensor itself is dead, or the wiring leading to it is broken or frayed. Here is a pro tip that many people miss. If you recently changed your tire size and did not update the computer, that can sometimes confuse the system too. But usually, it is hardware. Before you run out and buy a new sensor, do this first. Search online for Technical Service Bulletins, or TSBS, for your specific make and model. Some manufacturers, like Toyota, have known issues where following a specific bulletin can save you hours of diagnosis. If there are no bulletins, crawl under there and visually inspect the wiring. You are looking for melted wires, corrosion, or anything that looks broken. If the wires look good, you will want to check the voltage at the sensor connector with a multimeter. The exact numbers depend on your car, but you are verifying power and ground. If the electrical side checks out, then it is likely the sensor itself has failed. Swapping it out is usually straightforward, just one bolt and an electrical clip. It is a very doable DIY job that can save you a trip to the shop.